Alright guys, so Kim's adventure is camping again. And this time, we're at Carpinteria. Okay, let's go and see what this place is all about.
In today's Kim's adventure, we're at Carpinteria State Beach, camping for one night. And on this episode, I'll show you why Korean barbecue is a must-have on any camping trip. The coolest beach hike that even a toddler can do. And how you can get the most out of your stay at this campground. By the way, if you could take the time to smash that like button, it would really help out the channel. So let's get started. Located 12 miles south of Santa Barbara, this 62-acre park was established in 1932. It has over 4,000 feet of beachfront and offers 191 family sites, including some with RV hookups. There are 4 areas to choose from: the Anacapa, Santa Cruz, Santa Rosa, and San Miguel. Reservations can be made online at reservecalifornia.com from March 1st through November 30th for a maximum of 7 days, or December 1st through February 28th for a maximum of 15 consecutive days. Expect to pay about $45 per night, and make sure you book early as spots fill up quickly. When we arrived, our group was already getting dinner started.
How's it going, man?
Good, man. Good to see you.
Ooh, delicious.
Our friends are a huge fan of Korean dramas, which made them a huge fan of Korean barbecues. They purchased this grill, and I gotta say, camping just isn't the same without it. I mean, look at these children. They're gobbling it all up like ravenous 강아지s. But beware of the hawks. I hear they're insane about bulgogi. Let's not forget about my other buddy. He's got some serious skills in building those campfires.
And the sun's almost set, or it has already set. We're just here enjoying the waters. Alright guys, so it's the next day. Had a good rest in our tent, and now I'm ready to explore this place. So not too far from the campsite, you have a little boardwalk trail that you can go on.
This boardwalk goes for about half a mile and would be easy for even little children to walk on. And my favorite part is the amazing ocean view.
It's a gloomy morning, a lot of marine layer, but a really great view on this hiking path. And for any volleyball fans, we got some volleyball courts out here on the sands. Right across from the volleyball courts is a workout station. Some calisthenic stations are right here. You got pull-up bars, push-ups, sit-ups, dips, everything that you can need. And there's a grassy field here where you can just lay out a blanket, have a picnic. Right at the corner of this state beach is a little playground. It's built out like a village, a small village. And the kids are loving the slide. We got boats here. We got seals, dolphins. It's a beach theme, a California beach theme.
The Tamal interpretive play area was inspired by the lives of the Chumash people that used to occupy this region. The mix of nature and history makes this an awesome playground.
Included with your stay at the park, there's a nice, quick nature trail. The aroma on this trail is very nice. And throughout all the trails on the state beach, there are these informational plaques where you can learn more about the area. And here are one of the several restrooms and showers that you can choose from. You don't have to pay to use these. It doesn't actually tell you how much it costs, but that's what you get. It doesn't work unless you put the coins in. So So no showers for you. And then we got the outdoor ones for after the beach. These ones work. Turn it on right now. There you go. And then of course the restrooms. Right here. For the RV sites, there's a lot of RVs here, but you're pretty much left with just a water spout. So there's no way to, I guess, septic. There's no septic. There's no power. So whatever you come with. But the location is so good here that people are definitely willing to pay the money to have a spot.
And of course, we can't forget about the best amenity, having fun on the beach. And for those of you who are Poindexters, check out this cool pencil-shaped kite. There's an energy to the ocean that's really re-energizing to the spirit. One thing's for sure though, these kids are going to sleep really well tonight.
Having a great time. Me and Nolan. Beep. You like the water or the sand better, Nolan? Water, huh? How come you're getting buried alive?
Because I want
Buried
to.
alive.
How do you think? Please. Okay. Yeah. No more rocks. Okay.
By the way, if you're at the amphitheater near the visitor center, there's a lot of plugs for you to tap into some power out here at the Carpinteria State Beach. My favorite one is this one because you can just set your laptop up here, pull that up. Oh, never mind. I thought there's power. But there's definitely power right there. Look, someone's charging right now. So that's near the visitor center.
Well, we had another successful camping trip. Time to get back to the concrete jungle.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, here's some more suggestions. And as always, please like, subscribe, and press the bell for notifications, and I'll see you on the next Kim's Adventure.